UKG teacher from JAGMA World School. In last video, we have seen water animals, shark. I hope you enjoy and learn about water animals. Today in this video, we are going to learn or know about hot air balloon. Interesting? Yes. Let's see how it works. Hot air balloon. So, the working of hot air balloon is very simple. It is made up of balloon-shaped envelope, as you see, in which you fill hot air. The balloon is made up of nylon material with heat-resistant material at the mouth, where the burner is. Hot air balloon cannot navigate on their own. They must rely on the wind to push them in particular direction. Since the wind of different altitudes blow in the different directions, the navigation of hot air balloon can be increases or decreases the amount of hot air and make it rise and fall as you see, and it takes you a magical adventure. So, try this once. Thank you.